a short time ago, in a bathroom not far away, I filmed this video for Galaxy Soap. Since then, people have asked for more of a tutorial than this kind of cinematic masterpiece. So I thought that I would go through it again and just let you know how I did each of the steps. Okay, so obviously you need colours, glitter optional, fragrance, and these planets are actually made from soap scraps, and they are just sort of squidged together soap scraps. I've tried to make each one a different colour, but you can probably guess which soap each little planet came from. Split the batter off into a few different colours. There isn't really a limit to the colours, I went for 4, and then the bigger one is the background or sort of blacky space colour, and the other ones are sort of a hot pink, a purple and a blue. So then you want to do an in the pot swirl. So the first time I'm pouring them from high up so that the colour goes all the way to the bottom of the jug, and the second time I'm pouring from closer so that the colour sort of sits on top of it. Then I stir it, but only sort of once or twice, and then you just pour it in and it creates this beautiful galaxy swirl. Then you pop in all your planets. Tried to do a bit better than me remembering where they all are, because I sort of started at one end, went to the other end, went back to the middle. I think it would be better if I just started at one end and sort of measured and put them in at decent intervals. I tap it down to get rid of the air bubbles, super important when you put embeds in. And then these are the sort of scrapings that I had left at the bottom. I just thought it would make it a bit more colourful and a bit more interesting to look at on top. Changed my mind about 6 different times what texture I wanted, and then ended up going and trying out sort of 3 different sections of top textures, and then added some glitter, quite a lot of glitter, marked on it for the bar cutter. I didn't have a multi-bar cutter at that point, I just had this sort of cheese cutter, which works fine if you're a hobby soap maker, if you hold it down straight and it doesn't cut at an angle. Oh, I got hobby to help. Yeah, overall I'm really happy with this one. I think it looks cool. I'd probably do it again and, like I said, spread out the planets more. As you can see, some slices only have 1 planet and some have 4. I do like to bevel the edges of my soap, and then these shavings are what I've actually used to make the planets. So the bevels from previous soaps go into planet soap, and then I tend to just use these ones for my own showers. Hope you enjoyed. And I had a little fun photo shoot with all my Funko Pops.